Everyone, good day, ma'am. This is my report. So, introduction. The fire resident face emotional challenges, feeling isolated and helpless due to separation from loved ones and society. Addressing this confusion is crucial for our normally. The therapeutic community modality program provides activities and services to cater to this need. The therapeutic value of processing feelings lies in identifying, acknowledging, and expressing them appropriately psychologically. So, next is counseling. Counseling is defined as professional activity of helping individuals, groups of community, hence enhance or restore their capacity for psychological, emotional, and social functioning, and creating an environment favorable for attainment of this goal. So when we say counseling is is a form of talk therapy, it is a process where an individual meet with a trained professional counselor to talk about issues and problems that they are facing in their lives. So next is psychosocial skills and characteristic of counseling. This is the five psychosocial skills. So the first is empathy. Empathy is ability to perceive the client's feelings and to demonstrate accurate perception of the client. So the example of empathy is a communicates you are interested in the client, is saying and emphasize with their feelings. So if you cannot fully know what the client is going through, yet reflecting back how to perceive their emotion position show empathy. So the second is warm. Warmth. Warmth is also called unconditionally positive regard. It involves accepting and caring about the clients as a person, regardless of any evaluation of prejudice on the client behavior or truths. So the example of warm is a unconditionally positive. According to Rogers Tree, is a concept that involves accepting and supporting someone without judgment of evaluation, regardless of what they say or do. So next is respect. Respect is our belief in a client's ability to make appropriate decision and deal appropriately with his her life situation when given a safe and supportive environment in which to do so. It is often showed best by not offering advice or cheap comfort. So respect is parang kabalo dito sa respect. Next is congruence. Congruence is genuineness, is being honest and authentic in dealing with the client. It is showing real concern rather than focusing on techniques during session. So the example of the congruence is when the therapist instead relying on techniques say to the client, can say you are struggling and I want to know that truly care about what you're going through and I am here to support you. So next is confidentiality. Confidentiality is means that anything discussed during counseling session is held absolutely private and not to be discussed anywhere. So the example is when a counselor assures a client everything we discuss in our session stay between us and I don't share anything without permission except in a situation where you share safety at risk. Next is uh, pattern of counseling session. So these are the 10 minutes, first 10 minutes. Greet and client warmly. So mag-greet ka sa imong client. Second is smile and shake hands. Mag-smile ka, then shake hands ka. Next is escort to the counseling room. Next, explain how the session is going to be. Elevate fears. Next is this is the time to develop rapport. Assured client and confidentiality. So second is information gathering about 20 minutes. So gaya na 10 man to karon 20 na po, 20 minutes na. So the first is know the reason for consultation. Next is client can start anywhere. Next, counselor may take notes. Next, client needs to do almost all of taking. Next is counselor may ask open question for use techniques like clarifying, rephrasing, focusing, reflecting, reality testing, and etc. So next is discussion counselor. So first is counselor tells the client what things the client is saying. So mutana ang counselor ug unsay take sa client unsay nasulti niya. So next is counselor develops a list of concerns. Next, client would concur or not the counselor understanding. Next, the prioritize problem and which one to work on first. Client will provide plans of action to work of specific problems. Next is counselor will assist in mapping out plans. So the fourth is conclusion. Conclusion is first is motivate the clients that he can do it. If not, he may need to be referred to a professional. Second is brief client on what they expect the next session. Progress based on plan of action. Third is end session on a positive note. And fourth is client should be able to list down things that he has to look forward to over the next few days. If not, this is a red flag or suicide. So last one is when to break confidentiality. So the first is children are being neglected or abused. Second, appearance in a court of a witness. Third is client express plan to commit suicide. Fourth is client express plan to harm others. So a gentle reminder, if you feel isolated, depressed, or helpless, don't hesitate to ask a professional help. Thank you.